tere, meie oleme sealt teetantsutüdrukud Tartust.
Me oleme 8–9-aastased ja oleme oma kava õppinud umbes 1 aasta. Tantsinud oleme me kokku 2–3 aastat.
Meile meeldib tantsida sellepärast, et see on lõbus ja muidu hakkab igav. Et ei ole vaja kogu aeg kodus istuda ja lihtsalt lugeneda.
Trennis tantsime me tavaliselt show-tantsu.
Seal on erinevate tantsude stiile.
Nagu näiteks Charlestoni samm. Me esitame teile tantsu Savoy toatüdrukud.
Me oleme harjutanud show-tantsu ja siis see on ka nagu pigem show-tants ja siis loodame, et see teile väga meeldib.
Hey. Well, all right. How y'all doing? Yes, ma'am. Looking mighty fine. I've been around the world, seen so many pretty girls, but I still get overwhelmed when I look in your eyes. Been from Maine to Spain, but everything seems the same. I only feel a change when I look in your eyes. I know you're upper class, I know you've got pizzazz. Every man wanna kiss your and I do too. Sometimes I'm just a clown and everybody puts me down. I guess I'll come around when I look in your eyes. Don't tell me no this time. If you do, it'll blow my mind. Have you ever seen a grown man cry? It's an awful thing. I guess it's time to say goodbye, but I gotta give it one more try. I'm only satisfied